Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In C4 DSA learning series, one more concept I am going to explain you how to find out maximum value from an array, or how we can find out minimum also. So you can see that here I say printf, I say enter size of array which you want to take. So we have this enter size of array, then I say scanf %t, then I take this in n size of array, then we create the array after this size, then I say printf enter %t elements in array, then I say an n because n number of element we want to add in the array. For that I take for loop, I say int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, these number of element we are going to take from the keyboard to the array. So we take the num here in the array. So n number of element we inserted here. Now I take one function that will say, I can say int find max, and here I pass, we can say find max, then I can say here array, so array I am passing here, and then I say the size of array, and that is we want to get from this, and we want to find out the maximum value. Now I call this, so for that I can say that I have a max value here, max, and I say max equal to find max, and I pass array also and I pass size also this way, and now I can printf that maximum value in array is then equal to then %t, and we can say that is max. Maximum value in array is, or we can say this is the maximum value in array, like that. Save this. Now we have to implement this function. So I say int find max, we have array also, and I have the size, and here what I do, I just take one value as a max here, that would be the initial value of the array, the first value of the array is max. Then I run the for loop, I say int I, then I less than the size of array, then I say I plus plus, and you see that I run this I with I equal to 1 because first element is already we have selected. Then I say if the value of max is less than the value of num, if the value is less than this, then we say max equal to num, and we pass the value like this way. And what we do here, then we come here, return max value, and I think we done this. We try to execute this now. So gcc, I say max in array C, so enter the size of array, we have to make semicolon also here. Now once again I compile, done, then I run it. Let's say enter the size of array, I say 5, then it say enter the 5 element. So suppose I say 14 and I say 81, 56, 92 and 1. Then we want to find out the value. You see 92 is the maximum number in array, maximum value in array. So like this way, once again we try to compile, then we try to run it once again. You see it's a size of array. I say size of array is 10, then I enter some value. I say 21, 1, 5, 100, then I say 69, then I say 235, then I say this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, then 9, and then we have a 10. So you see the maximum value is 485. So we have the 485. Similarly, if you find out the minimum value, just one thing you have to do. In place of this less than, you can say it greater than. In place of max, you can take min value, and I think everything is okay. In place of max, you can do min, and the name of the function is find max. So we can say find min, and automatically you will find the minimum value also. Just the one condition we have to replace. In place of less than, we have to use greater than symbol. Otherwise, we can do the same which we are doing here. This is the way to find out the maximum value from array using C programming language. If you learned something from this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.